Hey guys, have you ever been like really bored and hungry and you want something sweet to eat and you're lazy? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bake cake in a cup in a microwave, and that's fun, in a microwave, and you don't need any eggs, butter, or milk. And if you're a vegetarian, this is perfect for you because vegetarians can't eat those things. So, yeah. So, just keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So, what we're going to make today is cake in a cup. And this is a cup. There's no cake in it yet. But we're going to make the cake. So, what you're going to need, let's see. What you're going to need is some flour, some sugar, well, I put it in that container, some unsweetened cocoa powder, some salt, some pure vanilla extract, vegetable oil, vinegar, a cup and a bowl, and maybe like a fork or something to mix with. So that's all you're gonna need, and you also need a microwave because we're gonna make this cake in the microwave. So what you do first is you gather your ingredients. So I'm just gonna face this down. There we go. So you just gather your ingredients, and you're also gonna need a tablespoon thingy like this, because you're gonna be measuring stuff. So the first thing you need to do is add all the dry ingredients. So you're gonna need 5 tablespoons of flour. So this is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and 5. And this is only like 1 serving for like 1 person kind of, or like if you can like share it with someone if you really want to. Okay, so that was 5 tablespoons of flour. Now you need 4.5 tablespoons of sugar. And this isn't my recipe, so I'm gonna leave the recipe for the original one in the links down below. So 4.5 tablespoons of sugar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and about a half. Next, you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and it looks like this. So you just open it up, and you need 2 teaspoons of that. So I'm just gonna get some of that, and make sure you level it off. 1, 2. So this is going to be a chocolate cake. That's why we're adding the cocoa. And you need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. So baking soda, my baking soda is in this container. So you just add 1/4 of a tablespoon of this. And by the way, this recipe, you don't need any eggs or milk or butter in it, so that's good if you're allergic to dairy and stuff like that. And it's a vegetarian thing, so then you just mix that all together, and you can use a fork. So you kind of just mix it all together to get, it's a little bit easier if you just do this, mix it all together. They said you can mix it in the cup, but I think it's easier if you mix it in a bowl first, just in case you mess up or it's hard to scrape the edges, so it all gets coated in whatever. So you just mix it all together, and then we're gonna add the not dry ingredients. So you need 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar, and I would don't pour it over a sink so you don't spill any, just in case. But I'm careful. So you need half a teaspoon of white vinegar, and then you need a fourth of a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and I love this. It's so good. So yeah, you just add this. Oh. Okay. Then next, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and yeah, so just add that. And you're also going to need a dash of salt. So yeah, just to let you know. And you're going to need 4.5 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to add the salt now. Just need a little bit. Okay, so you add 4.5 tablespoons of water. So you move your bowl or whatever next to a sink, or you can use a bottle of water or whatever. So yeah. So I'm just gonna add 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then a half. So yeah. So then you can put your stuff, you can put your measuring spoons in the sink, and you're just gonna mix this all up. And it's gonna be pretty thick, so just keep mixing that up. This is my most favorite thing to make because it's so fast and easy, and it like tastes so good. You can even make like a frosting for it, and yeah. So you can probably find that on the same website that this cake recipe is from, because that lady, she makes a lot of good stuff. So you just mix it up really good until all the dry ingredients are gone. Then, if you have one, you can use a spatula like this to pour it into your cup. And my cup's pretty small, so it's not going to fit the whole thing. So I'm probably going to leave some on the side. And this is a microwavable safe bowl, so I can probably save, you can bake it in the bowl too. So you just pour it into the cup. And yeah, I'm trying to get the most I can out. And then you have to bake it in your microwave for 2 minutes. And you might need less time, but it really depends. But it's just like regular cake. When you think it's done and you need to take it out, then you poke it with a toothpick and it should be done. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and I'll be right back.
Break it down.
Okay guys, so I think mine is done, and it's a little hot. So as you can see, while it was cooking, it kind of went up a little because my cup is kind of small. And you just poke it with a toothpick, and it didn't stick, so I'm just going to throw that toothpick away. and your cake is done. So you can just eat it like that with a fork, or you can like add some frosting to it, and it's kind of like going down, like it was higher than that before. So yeah, your cake is done, and now you can enjoy some cake because you wanted something sweet to eat and it was really fast. So I hope you like this video, and give it a thumbs up if you do. Comment video ideas and questions, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you really fast. This is what the cake turned out to look like. In this lighting it didn't look that great. Ow, it's hot. Let me try and shine the light on it. It's like looks really good. Like it kind of looks ugly on the outside because it overflowed, but if you probably fill it up to about here maybe, because I filled it up about here and it overflowed, so maybe about halfway it would be perfect. But it's like so light and fluffy. Like look at it, it's like so good. Like who wouldn't want to eat that? And you can make it yourself, so that's a positive. So you should try this. Like seriously, you should try this. It's amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So bye.